Hey guys, let's talk about the terrifying truth of overlooking launch engagement for your tech product.
We have a liftoff. We have a launch coming in and we have a liftoff. We'll swing on, moving back. Clear the tower. Roger, clear the tower.
So why does a launch engagement matter? Imagine turning your product launch into an experience.
What if we shot it? Let's shoot it.
Something that goes beyond the ordinary. That's exactly what interactive events do. They generate excitement, they generate anticipation, and they leave a lasting impression on your audience.
Well, what we're going to do is get rid of all these buttons and just make a giant screen. A giant screen. Now, how are we going to communicate this? We don't want to carry around a mouse, right? So what are we going to do? Oh, a stylus, right? We're going to use a stylus. No. No. Who wants a stylus? We're going to use the best pointing device in the world. We're going to use a pointing device that we're all born with. We're born with 10 of them. We're going to use our fingers.
Now let's get practical. How do you pull off an unforgettable launch event? Step 1, plan, plan, and plan. Whether it's a virtual or a physical event, meticulous planning is your secret weapon. Outline your objectives, set a timeline, and ensure every detail is well thought out.
Oh my fucking god. Well, maybe that was a little too hard.
Step 2, execution is key. When the big day arrives, make sure your event is seamless and engaging. Use live streaming for a wider reach, host Q&A sessions to connect your audience, and incorporate interactive elements to keep everyone hooked.
Great materials. We're going to take a look at those later as well. If you remind me, because they're really worth taking a look at. I think it's a key component of what's going to make Instamat great.
Step 3, participation is the heart of it all. Allow your audience to be part of the action. Let them ask questions, share their thoughts, and experience your product in action.
Can you sit on the bed and use it in your lap? Yeah, it's like any other laptop, right? You can see it here. It's like any other laptop. You can just, use it in laptop mode, right? And that's what you're getting over here. And then again, you have the virtual touchpad here. It actually works out pretty well. Little surprising on how good this is working.
It's not just a launch, it's an immersive journey. With interactive launch events, you're not just unveiling a product, you're creating a memorable experience that resonates with your audience long after the event ends. I went ahead and posted some links on how to have a successful product launch, such as this 4-step process by Alex Catani. It's really awesome. Go ahead and check it out. All right, that's it. Quick tip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share with your other friends who might be doing branding and marketing with your tech products. Take care until next time.